into engiyibuza wona ke umbuzo nje engiyibuza wona ukuthi kanti uMamzobe noJudas okuNdlovu bebengayixoxa ngayini indaba ukuthi ke uzocela ukuthi amgcobe ambeke ke esikhundleni lapha yana ke ebandleni lamaJudiya. Ngibona nje eseba surprise kakhulu mangabe ke engasavumi. Okunye ke guys uNdlovu ubengafuna ukuthi ubuxoki bakhe baziwa abantu buvele ebantwini kodwa wenzela nje ukuthi phela athole kuyimadlana lapha ke kumkhululi omusha uMamzobe. Hayi kwasho ukuthi ke wenza iagreement noHlanya ke uHlanya selusho phambi kwabantu ukuthi wena ozongcoba Ndlovu yabo. But ke guys anyway uMamzobe uzo create isigungu sakhe esishasha sabafazi bese yikhethela ke umuntu ozomgcoba kubona. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 30th to the 31st of October 2023. Guys, we're still waiting for Matthias for November. On Monday, Khulekani and Nomkhosi's marriage is tested. Mamzobe confront Judas. Nomkhosi has chosen Itempeli Lenkosi and it drives Khulekani to hell insult at Mthembu on Tuesday. Mamzobe finds herself alone. Khulekani's plan to exorcise his wife of her demons dismally fails. Sibusiso decides to leave her parents' home. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.